One of the things I like best about Veda, or Video Every Day in August, is showing little snippets of my life. And in this video, I'm showing how me and my husband work together to vacuum seal his fish. It's something we do weekly and sometimes twice weekly. I encourage homemakers to be proactive about preparing their fridge, their freezer, and their extended pantries for possible hard times. And this is one way we prepare ours. I always say, I'm married to the big fisherman of the Midwest. He rarely comes home empty-handed, and the fish he brings home helps us to build our Four Corners pantry and prepare for winter. He starts the process by cleaning the fish in the garage and then brings them into the kitchen where he finishes up. While he's doing that, I get the vacuum sealer out and label and date the bags. This Food Saver vacuum sealer has become one of the most important tools in our prepping toolbox. It's easy to use and easy to clean up. One of my viewers gave me the idea to make a cuff in the bags to keep the mouth of the bags clean. She saw how I was taking a paper towel to wipe those off, but this hack has become a game changer because now I don't have to contend with the mouth of the bags being dirty and having that additional cleanup. What tasks do you and your partner work on together? Let me know in the comments. To see a comparison of the Food Saver vacuum sealer and the Nesco American Harvest vacuum sealer, click or tap the link on the screen, and I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Video Every Day in August.